Hello and welcome to another video. Set up the microphone there. We are here today with Northern Monk. You saw this in one of the beer haul videos. It is mangoes on with faith. It's backwards in the camera. But that, as I said in that video, that's a great thing to put on a t-shirt, along with the Stormtrooper as well. Got the fruit going down like a river there, but it just looks like the kind of thing you want on a t-shirt. So today anyway, big can. This glass will make a comeback. I'm going to try not to rock the table too much. Been a while since I tried Northern Monk. Oh, straight away. I suppose it depends if you like mango, but that smells nice. Let's give this a whirl. Oh, fizz. I'm looking forward to this. So, have you tried this? Comment below, obviously. If you haven't, stay tuned. It's almost like, I mean, it's technically a pale ale, but I suppose the head's staying there now. To begin with, that looked like it was just going to be like a soft drink and just stay where it was. But looking forward to this. Faith in Futures, keep chilled, which I did. Starting to chill them now. 5.4%. Northern Monk. Mangoes on with faith. Keeping the theme of monks. Twist edition. A lot of them are twist edition now. Yeah, let's give this a whirl. Still a lot ahead in it. It reminds me of something I've had before, but I can't remember what. Very fruity. It'll come back to me in a minute, and I'll be really freaking annoyed. It's tropical. There's definitely not much mango in that flavour. The fragrance of it is overpowering almost. Very opaque. Pale in colour, I guess, but it's weird to see a pale ale that's not transparent. I have chilled it, but there's almost a sharpness to it, like a grapefruit or a tropical, a bit like, I've not reviewed it, but if you've tried, I think it's Salt Brewery's Denim, comes in a blue can. Reminds me of that, which I think that's meant to have mango tones as well. But yeah, it's okay. I thought it was going to be really full-on fruity, especially since I've tried stuff like the banana bread, which wasn't full-on, but the sticky toffee definitely was. And I'll give you a little preview of next week's video, Disco Forklift Truck, and we'll be seeing if that, let's get the light out of the logo a bit so you can see it, see if that, by Drygate Brewery, Disco Forklift Truck, Mango Pale Ale, and see how that compares. So this one's going to be 5.1% as opposed to the 5.4. But as for this, solid beer. I'll give it in the middle, I think. I was expecting much more mango to that. It's going to annoy me. It reminds me of something, and I don't quite put my finger on it. Just the smell of it reminds me of another beer I've tried. But for now, from the craft kitchen of the old, what dost thou think of this beer if you tried it? And if not, go ahead and try it. It's in 4 for 3 at Morrison's, I believe, but you can pick it up elsewhere. I do like Northern Monk. It's not my favourite Northern Monk. It's not the worst Northern Monk. It's a good, solid beer. I could have a few of those. I was expecting mango. It's not the fact it's bad. It's like I've said before. It's like having a carton of orange juice when you're expecting to go milk. It's just not what you're expecting, but not necessarily something you don't like. But I'll see you next time, and I'll see you. Just right there, you. In the review. Because now, I'm gone.